Hi, my name is Christian.
Hi, my name is Jesse.
And we're here to tell you how easy it is to configure, install and get going with the DriveTag.
Okay, everything we're going to tell you is on the manual, online manual on the app as well. So you can easily, when you log in, you can browse through the different steps that that's required for you to get going with the DriveTag. So each of these steps are explained in detail as you flip yourself through these screens here. It's going to take you a maximum of 2 minutes to set up the tag and get going. So good luck with it, and we'll take you through the steps as well here. So after you've downloaded the app, this is the first screen you'll see. It will prompt you to scan the tag. There's a QR code on the tag, and once you've scanned it, it'll register and you can give it a name. Yeah. Okay, gonna walk to the car. Let's get this baby installed. Okay, we're now in the car, and the first thing you're going to do in the car is to remove the battery protection cover from the tag. And so there's a red sleeve that you can pull out. There you go. Now the tag is active and powered. Now we're going to place the tag on the windscreen of the car. So you can either place this top left or top right, doesn't matter. There we go. And now it's fixed to the car windscreen. Okay, so you'll see if your DriveTag is linked, there'll be a green dot on the screen on your app, and it'll show that you are linked to the tag. That means that you are basically able to start driving. So we are in the car, and the DriveTag will give you feedback on how you drive. There's a short grace period, a couple of minutes before we assess your drive score, and once that is done, then you'll get your score, and here we are. It's an A. Well done, Jesse. So the DriveTag and the app will coach you into becoming a mindful driver. So it'll give you feedback if you hit the brakes too hard. Thank you, Jesse.
There goes my drive style.
There you go. And so the app will capture all the journeys you make, and you will get a drive score, as you can see here on the list. So each trip is captured, and you can play your trips back on the map if you wish, and you can see where you had your not so mindful driving events, and to be able to play those back on the map. Okay, back home safe and sound. Thanks, Jesse. It's a nice journey.